Hey, everybody, this is Mike Anderson from Collision Advice. Listen, I hope you plan on joining me next Monday, June 9th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my On the Road with Mike Anderson Serving Up Some Collision Advice podcast. Now, listen, what am I going to be talking about in this podcast? I'm going to talk about the importance of knowing your why by sharing with you my why. Why is it that I am so dedicated and so intentional on safe and proper repairs? And not only just performing safe and proper repairs, but understanding my why and hopefully helping you to discover your why in regards to delivering an exceptional customer service experience. So at the end of the day, please join me next Monday, June 9th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time as I share with you how I discovered my why by three things that impacted my life. One with my father when he was in the military, and number two, when I served in the United States Air Force. I'm going to share with you my why. So please join me next Monday, June 9th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I look forward to seeing you on the road with Mike Anderson, serving up some collision advice.